Bee Swarm update. New Bee Swarm update in Grow a Garden. Shout out to Onet. The right shout out has been given by the Grow a Garden developers. W developers. They have actually added bees into Grow a Garden. Let's go. And we get pollinated fruits. Actual pollinated fruits. Actually, check it out. Bee Swarm event, 59 minutes and 9. Wait, what do you mean 59 minutes? Talk to the queen. What does she want? She wants the pollinated heart. On it! On it! Give a plant. Nope, I'm not gonna do that. So I have to actually like put the plants in here, and then there are gonna be rewards. Let's talk to the queen. I don't want to trade honey. I don't want to trade honey. Wait, what? Is there any freebies? Freebies? You get me? Get it? Get it? Get it? Get it? Freebies? Any freebies? Any freebies? Yo, 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 freebies. So we need 10 kilograms of pollinated fruits. Okay, pollinated fruit. There you go, one of them. How much kilo is that? How do you even see which one is pollinated? Moon melon. So this moon melon is late. Moon melon is very late because I needed that. No! Don't pollinate these fruits. I can't be giving away those fruits, okay? Those fruits will not be given away. Anyways, let's actually get the pollinated one. Pollinated egg. Pollinated egg. So what you want to do right now is give it to this guy. And once this one is full, you can unlock the shop and you can buy all the other stuff from the queen bee. We get the coconut honey. Coconut honey. Boom! 3 minutes? Now what? Would you like to trade honey? I want to trade honey. Okay, okay. A bee egg. Honeycombs. Honey walkway. So wait, these are cosmetics, right? Cosmetic. Is anything useful? Cosmetic. I mean, bee egg. You can get bee egg. You can get queen bee. Okay, so this is how you get queen bee. W queen bee. And sprinkler, honey sprinkler. That's pretty cool. Hive fruit seed. Wait, can I actually buy it? Okay, I can buy it. Hive fruit seed. So there's a new plant, nectarine seed, flower packs, and you can get sunflower. That's pretty cool. Okay, so this is a new update, guys. New update. This is a new update, and you can actually get honey by probably giving the queen. How do I get honey? Wait, deposit, talk to Onet. Wait, so I have to deposit this guy? Oh, he's making the honey. 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 We're actually extracting the honey from the pollinated. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. His whole house is shaking. He's so eager to make some honey right now. So, collect fruit. You put them in the house, and then you get honey. In 3 minutes, you get 1 honey. Or I'm not really sure how many. You have to keep doing this, and then you get the honeys.